Hello there. So today we're gonna review this power station. I did a previous video on my channel before, but it was just a quick one. This is a little more thorough. So basically, this is a Jackery Explorer 300. It's a power bank, very useful. You can use it when you go camping, fishing, even canoe tripping, to charge all your batteries. Video recording batteries, GoPro batteries, drones, your phone, camera equipment, any kind of batteries you want to charge, or give yourself some light. Multi-purpose. So this is an excellent power station. As you can see here, it comes with an input port, and it has in and out 60 watt USB connectors, 2 regular USB-A and 1 USB-C, and then it has 2 regular power, AC power, like the standard plugs at home, right? And then it has a cigarette lighter port, same as you have in your vehicle. So multi-use. Here you have a selector switch for DC power, and this one's to display. Turn it on to display, give power to the power station and display. So right now this one is at 84%. As you can see, it's not that big, very versatile. It's a little handle. I've been using it in many of my car camping trips. When I bought it, I got this accessory pack with all the cords. This one here is to connect your solar panels, if you have some solar panels, or you can buy them afterwards. You have this. This is to connect to AC power, like in the wall at home, or regular power. And this one goes right over here, and this goes onto the wall, of course with a transformer. So this is used to charge up your power station. Then you have the cigarette lighter one for your car, 12 volts, connected to the car, and this other port comes here. Same place where you charge with any other cord. And you have an instruction sheet, user manual. So another thing I want to talk about is a solar panel kit. Jackery sells its own solar panels. I got this one, 100 watt, from FlexSolar. It's a little bit cheaper, and it should do the same job. So this particular solar panel has its own little connecting cable. So it opens up. Oh, there's an airplane by overhead, as usual. Okay, we'll wait for the plane to pass. Okay, so this solar panels open up. As you can see, they're pretty big. Right. 84%. Let's see how long it takes to charge. I'm just gonna leave it here for now. "40 minutes have elapsed. Let's see how this is doing, the solar panel. 100%. 84% charged to 100%. It's not bad. It's doing its job as long as it's in direct sunlight. So it's a hit. I'm happy with it. As you can see, you can put this on a canoe, on top of a boat, next to your camper home, your trailer, wherever. You know, if you go fishing, or even in the winter time, hot tenting, it might even work. I know in the winter the cold affects power packs and so on, but I'm sure it will work. So this will allow you to stay out for days on end. If you're going on an adventure outside the grid, you can take a little power pack there and solar panels. This is from FlexSolar, company's FlexSolar, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 panels, giving you 100 watts of electricity. And this particular one, like I said, you can have a direct connection to USB-A into a phone or any charger, power pack, small power pack, whatever, and it has a USB-C out also to any device that needs to be charged or direct electricity. So I hope you like this mini review tutorial. If you like to see my other video on the Jackery, it's an introductory one, short video. You could also find it on my channel, Julian Outdoors. If you like this review and some of my other camping videos and kayaking, follow me, subscribe and like Julian Outdoors YouTube channel. Okay, bye for now. Thanks.